Hi, I'm Lori Lowe, and I'm applying to be a presenter at this year's Web 2.0 conference in October. And the session that we're proposing is called Marcom Mashup. Now, anytime I've ever attended Web 2.0 in the past, I was always frankly pretty disappointed that there was never any sessions on how Web 2.0 technologies were advancing my industry, which is marketing communications. And I think it's because we spend so much of our time really creating what are pretty discrete, contained documents, brochures, white papers, case studies, that kind of thing. And so those kinds of discrete containers are not easily modified or pierced, if you will, by the community. They can't really contribute to the conversation in a way that's going to stay with that document as it kind of travels around the internet or wherever it gets distributed. So we started to really see if we could push the boundary on that. So we started to work with our user community and post some of our original research and put modifiers in the documents that enable people to kind of comment on it in a way that was going to stay with that document whenever it got distributed. So a way that would really just kind of stay attached to it and add value and extend the conversation over time. Really start to create that Marcom mashup that we were after. What we're also doing is reaching out to some of our colleagues at Microsoft and Adobe and even some open source vendors to find out what's coming down the pipe in terms of this kind of document technology and applications. And looking for ways in which this veil of the document, the container, is going to be pierced. So that's what we're going to present, basically a case study on the work we've done in this area, and also kind of a future look of what some of the main application developers are going to be showing us in terms of document technologies down the line. So that's Marcom Mashup, and I hope you give us an opportunity to present.